Get your website to the top of search engine results with these optimization tips. Hey there. Welcome to our channel Kajal Zone. Today we're going to talk about how to optimize your website for search engines. Tip number 1. Make sure your website is mobile friendly. With more and more people using mobile devices to browse the internet, having a mobile-friendly website is essential for SEO. Tip number 2. Focus on your website structure. Make sure your website is easy to navigate, with clear categories and subcategories. Tip number 3. Optimize your website's header tags. Use H1 tags for your main headline, H2 tags for subheadings, and so on. Tip number 4. Include a sitemap in your website's footer. This will make it easier for search engines to crawl your site and index your content. Tip number 5. Start a blog and regularly publish high-quality, SEO-optimized content. Tip number 6. Optimize your product pages with detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and customer reviews. Tip number 7. Make sure your contact information is easily accessible on your website. Tip number 8. Create a privacy policy page and make sure it's linked from every page on your website. Tip number 9. Optimize your website's URL structure. Use descriptive URLs that include your target keywords. Tip number 10. Track your website's performance with Google Analytics and regularly analyze your data to identify areas for improvement. So there you have it, 10 tips for optimizing your website for search engines. By following these tips, you can improve your website's visibility, drive more traffic, and ultimately grow your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on digital marketing.